Curious how AI can actually simplify your daily work? You're in the right place. Here, we break down powerful AI tools into simple, practical steps so you can save time, boost productivity, and create smarter without stress.
You know that feeling when your brain is just full? Random ideas, tasks, notes, things you know you'll forget later. Yeah, what if I told you there's a tool that basically acts like a second brain and actually understands your notes? Hey, what's up, guys? Today we're checking out Mem AI, a note-taking app that's trying to completely change how we capture and organize ideas. I've been testing it out, and honestly, it's a bit different from your typical note apps like Notion or Google Docs. So in this video, I'll walk you through what it does, how it feels to use, and whether it's actually worth your time. So at its core, Mem is a note-taking app, but not the traditional kind. Instead of forcing you to organize everything into folders and structures, Mem kind of just says, dump everything here, I'll handle the rest. You can write quick notes, ideas, meeting summaries, tasks, basically anything on your mind. And instead of manually organizing, the app uses AI to connect and surface relevant information when you need it. So it's less about organizing and more about remembering everything effortlessly. Let's be real, most note-taking apps become messy over time. You start organized, then suddenly you have 50 folders, random notes everywhere, and you can't find anything. Mem flips that completely. Instead of you searching for notes, Mem helps bring the right information back to you at the right time. It's designed for people who think fast, capture ideas quickly, and don't want to waste time organizing. All right, let's talk about what stood out from the screenshots and experience. 1. Super simple note. Capture. The interface is clean, like really clean. You can just create notes instantly. No friction, no setup. There's even a brain dump style where you just throw everything in. 2. AI-powered organization. This is where it gets interesting. Mem automatically connects related notes together. So instead of tagging and sorting manually, it kind of understands context. It feels like your notes are actually talking to each other behind the scenes. 3. Smart Search plus Chat. There's a search bar where you can literally ask your notes questions. Not just keyword search, but actual questions. So instead of scrolling through notes, you just ask and it pulls the answer from your own content. 4. Collections and structure optional. If you do want some organization, you can still create collections, but it's optional, which is honestly refreshing. 5. Clean dashboard experience. When you first open it, it's super minimal. No clutter, no overwhelming menus, just your notes, a sidebar, and a simple workflow. It feels more like a calm workspace than a productivity tool. Okay, real talk. At first, it feels too simple, like you almost expect more buttons or features, but after using it a bit, you realize that's the whole point. It's designed to reduce friction. I also really like the idea of not having to constantly organize things. That alone makes it feel lighter compared to other apps. The AI part is subtle, but when it works, it's actually really helpful. Now let's talk pricing based on what we saw. Free plan to 25 notes per month to 25 chat messages per month. Mem Pro, $12 per month to unlimited notes to unlimited chat to AI features, deep search, templates, and more. Teams plan, custom pricing for teams and collaboration. So yeah, there's a free option to try it out, but if you're using it seriously, the Pro plan unlocks the full experience. Using Mem feels like open arrow, right arrow done, no overthinking, no structuring, no distractions. And honestly, that's kind of the magic. All right, that's Mem AI. If you're someone who constantly has ideas and just wants a smarter way to capture them, definitely give it a try. Let me know what you think in the comments, and I'll see you in the next one.